Howdy folks, welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Today we're going to do the big reveal on what kind of car Andrew got, but right now it's really dirty. So let's make it shiny as gold and show you what we got.
Terry Family Adventures.
Are you our little helper? He's a big helper, huh?
Yeah, I got bubbles.
Keep on filling it up. So I'm Andrew, and I am the owner of that blue 2022 Chevy Camaro. It's an LT1. Pretty much the entry-level V8 model. It's good for modifying. So far what I've done to it is I've done a muffler delete from the axle back. It goes from 2 and 3 inch quarter factory pipe to 3 inch pipe to 5 inch tips because I wanted to fill out the bumper. Kind of ricey, but it is what it is. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please go like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.